Welcome to channel Ngetrip Santuy Bali. Please follow dan subscribe channel ini. Bantu like, komen, dan share ya semua. Terima kasih.
You in the pond?
Sorry?
You in the pond or no?
Yes, it.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh, yesterday. Oh. Where do you go? Jatilui. Oh, okay, alright. Okay. Oh, Jatilui. Oh.
It,
Where?
we went to the temple.
What is temple?
I don't remember the name.
The name. Okay.
And the waterfall Lingeleke.
Oh, lucky. Oh, lucky. Alright. Nice.
Yes,
Oh, let's go. Oh,
but what very much.
okay. And then, where are you from?
Friends.
Ah, ça va?
Ça va bien?
Ça va bien, alright. Ça va bien, merci beaucoup. Yeah. Ok, bonjour.
Yes.
Merci beaucoup. Every time.
And you record for TikTok?
Yeah, TikTok, Instagram, itu.
Okay.
And then Jumapel Arta.
Arta.
Jumapel Arta. Okay. And Jutem.
It's too much.
Oh, okay, alright. I know Salu. I know. Oh, I know au revoir.
Au revoir.
Yeah. Bonjour. I know Om Santuy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God. I am from Paris. Bali, Paris. Oh. Okay.
I'm
Oh.
from Strasbourg.
Strasbourg. Alright.
You know Strasbourg?
In France.
Yes.
Oh.
It's close to German.
Look, it's German. You say the German or no?
No.
No, why?
No, I don't speak.
Oh my God. I speak German. Yeah. Danke
Like
sana.
what?
Danke sana.
Manche.
Oh, we get.
Guten Tag.
We get it. Guten Tag, guten Morgen. And then, we'll see. You know German. Oh no.
That's words.
Okay.
And that's
Yeah. You know juice? Yeah, juice. Liberty.
And do you speak Spanish?
¿Cómo estás? Bien.
Okay.
Because my video like this, learn the people language.
Yes.
This is my video. Yeah. After this, I follow you. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. How long stay in Bali?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Only 2 weeks. Okay. Only 2 weeks.
But
Huh?
morning raining.
Raining in
Yes.
Canggu. Oh my
Yes.
God. It will put little bit raining.
Yes.
Okay. Wait. Oh, stop.
And do you surf?
No, I don't can
No?
surf. Oh my God. Very hard.
You don't like
Oh, only bike. Oh, yeah, only bike. Okay. Yeah, more easy. And then only shaker. Make the drink. Shaker.
yes.
Make the drink like cocktail.
Okay.
Oh, the nice street, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, man. Oh,
I like.
oh, you like to go there?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
With the feeling of freedom.
Freedom, yeah. In France, no bike, yeah. Only car.
We have the big bike, but
Bike.
not a lot of.
Oh, no.
So the
That's for
small city
Small
or
city?
village.
okay.
Yeah.
Only car, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then I have a lot of people friends.
You love French people?
Yeah, I have a lot of people friends. Yesterday I met people friend, and then now I meet people friend again. Hurrah! Oh, go! Yeah, take off. Oh my God! And then UPNV Bali. Yeah, UPNV Bali. No, okay, I from Bali. UPNV Bali.
From Bali.
You?
Yes.
What is your friend? I'm from Bali. In your language, friend. What? I am from Bali. What is it? You? Friend?
Yes, it's good. But
No. I ask him. What is the? I am from Bali in French.
I am from Bali in France.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like what?
I
You?
don't know.
Ah?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know the word. It's
French.
yeah, I don't know.
Like no. Oh no.
But in Bali there are a lot of priests. Yeah.
Too much.
And you don't care about that?
What?
Don't care about that?
What is that?
The fact of there are a lot of priests in Bali.
No, it's very good
Yeah.
because
It's just law.
I have a lot of people country. Oh, another people. Oh, yeah. I mean, very good. But I have friend from like you, friend Jerman, Italy, Spanyol, Rusia, Ukraine, Sri Lanka, Iran,
Sri Lanka.
Morocco, and then Peru.
I went to Sri Lanka.
Oh, you?
January.
Oh my God, it's nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Really?
Yeah, people are so cool.
Oh. And then we arrive, yeah? Oh my God. Oh my God, man. Yeah, and follow my Instagram, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, this one. And then say goodbye, au revoir.
Goodbye,
Hong Sang
au revoir.
Yeah, my name.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what is the Oh, that's it. Let's see. Yeah, and then I put back you, yeah?
Okay.
I like it.
Wow.
Like this.
Followers.
Poland, German, where is France? Like it. Oh, okay.
I will see this in my vlog.
Okay. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Au revoir.
Thank you for watching. Jangan lupa follow dan subscribe ya. See you next video.